Welcome to Jumade channel. Today, I want to attend to the question I have received. Is American Medical Technology Certification accepted in most states in the United States? Yes, 70% of the United States accepted AMT certification without further licensure, i.e. 38 states out of 50 states accept AMT. 12 states accept AMT with additional state licenses. Even though some may be skeptical, AMT certification provides many significant career benefits and is a strong credential for many laboratory professionals. While it's true that certification requirements and recognition can vary across the United States, the American Medical Technologists (AMT) certification is generally accepted in many states, recognized in 50 states in the nation, and it provides a robust pathway for professionals in the medical laboratory sciences field. AMT certification not only for technicians, but medical laboratory scientists also. MLS certification is for scientists. However, there may be nuances in how the certification is recognized depending on the state, employer, or specific role. Let me explain in more detail. 1. Certification scope and recognition. AMT certification is indeed accepted by many states across the U.S., but each state has its own licensure and certification requirements for medical technologists and laboratory professionals. Some states, like California, New York, and Florida, have their own additional licensure requirements that may require a specific state exam, even for those holding AMT certification. National recognition. AMT certification is recognized by employers in healthcare systems, clinical laboratories, and hospitals across the country, especially in states that do not have specific licensure requirements. State requirements. Certain states, such as California, New York, and Washington, require additional state certification exams, for example, California's CLS certification or New York's State Board exam for laboratory technologists, before an individual can practice in those states. 2. AMT certification benefits. While some medical professionals may be skeptical, AMT certification provides several benefits that can be a valuable asset in a medical laboratory career, including recognition of competence. AMT certification is a recognized standard for laboratory professionals, signaling that an individual has met specific education and clinical experience criteria. Career advancement. Many employers prefer certified professionals because they demonstrate a commitment to maintaining high standards in their practice. Certified individuals may have access to better job opportunities and higher salaries than non-certified individuals. Expanded mobility. Certified professionals may find it easier to move between states or countries, where AMT is recognized, compared to those who are only licensed in one state. Continuing education. AMT requires continuing education, helping professionals stay updated on the latest technologies, procedures, and best practices, which is crucial in a rapidly evolving healthcare environment. 3. Challenges or misunderstandings. Some medical scientists and laboratory professionals may question the value of AMT certification for several reasons. State-specific requirements. As mentioned, some states have their own certification systems, and professionals in those states may believe that AMT certification is not sufficient to meet local regulations. However, in states where state licensure is not required, AMT certification can be an alternative for those seeking recognition of their qualifications. Varied employer preferences. Some employers may prioritize certification from specific organizations, like the American Society for Clinical Pathology, ASCP, over AMT, even though both organizations offer certifications that are highly regarded in the industry. Misconceptions about recognition. There might be confusion about the fact that AMT certification is not a licensure itself, which differs from state-required licensure exams. AMT provides certification, but not all employers or states may regard certification as equivalent to licensure. 4. AMT's global influence. AMT certification is also accepted in various international settings. In some cases, countries have agreements with AMT or offer reciprocal recognition, meaning AMT-certified professionals may be able to practice in certain international healthcare systems. Conclusion. While it's important to be aware that state licensure requirements vary, AMT certification is still a highly respected credential in many parts of the United States. For medical technologists, the decision to pursue AMT certification should be made in consideration of the state's licensing laws, the professional's career goals, and the requirements of prospective employers. Thanks for watching. I see you in my next video.